can you really make smooth slow motion in Scratch? Yes, and I'm gonna show you how. So previously in my other video where I made Carlson in Scratch, some of you guys asked how I made the slow motion effect, so I'm gonna show it to you right now. First of all, we're gonna create a new sprite, then we're gonna create a new box. I'm gonna remove the outline. Here I'm removing the outline, and then I'm gonna make the inside a gradient, this radial gradient, and make one color transparent and the other black. Then we're gonna scale it like so. First of all, we're gonna scale it like this, hold Alt or Control or Alt. I'm gonna scale it bigger so we can control how it looks in the project. So far so good. And now what we're going to do is create a new variable. We're going to name it SLOWMO normal. Hit OK, and then you're gonna set SLOWMO normal to 1. So to better demonstrate, I'm gonna make this into a slider range. I'm gonna set the minimum value 0.1 and 1, and then let's go to the other sprite, and we're gonna, when flag clicked, we're gonna go forever. No, this is in the Scratch cat sprite. We're gonna make a really simple movement script, and in fact with any of motion like these blue scripts here, you can do this slow-mo effect like rotation and stuff. You can do this slow-mo effect, and we're gonna set slow-mo normal to 1 in the other sprite, and then I'm gonna put when flag clicked. So this is how we're gonna integrate this slow-mo effect. We're gonna move, we're gonna do slow-mo normal times our normal speed. So as you can see, the Scratch cat is going slower like this. Yeah, you see, but initially it's going faster, as you can see in the video if you rewind. And yeah, so now I'm gonna make a new block in this slow-mo sprite. I'm gonna name it like this, and make sure to add the text or number segment there. I'm gonna name it, I named it target slow-mo normal, and then I'm gonna do repeat 20, set slow-mo normal to 1, and no, sorry, I'm gonna do change slow-mo normal by, I'm gonna do minus target slow-mo normal minus slow-mo normal, and then we're gonna go divide it by 4. As you can see here, this is the script. Repeat 20, change by minus, and then I'm gonna go do divide by 4. I'm gonna add one space key press. We're gonna do smooth to 0.1. So as you can see here, when space key press, no, Scratch is going fast and then it's going slow, fast and then slow. So the Scratch cat is going slower, faster than expected. So I'm gonna change it a little. I'm gonna divide it by a greater number, so it becomes like this. As you can see, it goes slower. You get what I mean? It goes slower in a long period of time, so it doesn't change too quickly. Now we're gonna do forever. We're gonna change its ghost effect. No, set its ghost effect to multiply 100 with slow-mo normal. Now there we go, and then we're gonna duplicate this, but set ghost effect to 0 on green flag. So if we start project, then there we go, we get the slow-mo like this, the darken effect. I don't really remember what its name because I'm really lazy to search it up, but as you can see it works here, and we're just gonna drag it into our backpack so we can use it for other projects. So if you're gonna ask how we do it for other projects, first of all, I have this project right here. This is a simple project where you just shoot at stuff, and as you can see, you can shoot a target, and you have a very simple movement script, very simple shooting script. And in this forever loop here, I have made the bullet to move 10 steps. So I'm gonna integrate the slow-mo effect here. We're gonna import our slow-mo sprite, and then make sure the slow-mo sprite goes to the front layer. We can do that by using go to front block, and then we're gonna play. Okay, that works. And then we're gonna do slow-mo normal times 10 steps. So now, as we can see, this bullet here, our bullet will go slower, but as you can see, the time it takes for another bullet to be shot is the same, but it's not the same in the context. It's in the context of the time in our game here. So it's not the same in the context of the time in our game. See, you're going slower, but the distance between each bullet is getting shorter. So to fix this is we're gonna go to this wait seconds block. But any wait block or any block related to time, you need to do this. So we're gonna go to the block here. We're gonna do divide. I'll do 0.3 divide by our slow-mo normal. So we'll do 0.3 divided by slow-mo normal. Play. You can see the slow-mo takes in effect, and it goes with the context of the time in our game, and the distance between each bullet is the same. Now I'm gonna integrate the slow-mo with our player movement here. So I basically just multiplied the player movement script with the slow-mo normal, so now it's working perfectly. And that's about it. I hope this is beneficial to you guys, and if you have any questions, just ask in the comments. You can subscribe to me if you want, but I think I'm gonna go for 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month, so you can help me by pressing those subscribe button. Yeah, so that's about it.